Hello children, we will continue second A and our next topic is indirect method for the measurement of large distance. And we have the first method that is called parallax method. First of all, I want to explain you that what is parallax method. In the parallax method, put your thumb against the वॉल के अगेंस्ट अपने थंब को प्लेस करो और अपनी राइट आई को क्लोज करो, थंब को ऑब्ज़र्व करो, देन अपनी लेफ़्ट आई को क्लोज करें और थंब को ऑब्ज़र्व करें. देन यू विल ऑब्ज़र्व देयर इज़ अ सम चेंज इन पोजीशन ऑफ द थंब. अगर आप राइट आई से देखेंगे और लेफ़्ट आई से देखेंगे तो आपके जो थंब की जो पोजीशन है उसके अंदर आपको चेंज ऑब्ज़र्व होगा, और ये जो चेंज होता है इसी मेथड को हम बोलते हैं, इसको बोलते हैं पैरेलैक्स मेथड. यस, सो नाउ वी कैन डिफाइन पैरेलैक्स मेथड एज द अपरेंट शिफ्ट इन पोजीशन ऑफ अ गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट अगेंस्ट द बैकग्राउंड व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सीन फ्रॉम द टू डिफरेंट पोजीशंस. टू डिफरेंट पोजीशन मीन्स व्हेन सीन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट आई and when seen from the right eye. Suppose the position of the object when seen from the left eye is L and when seen from the right eye it is R. So this line LR, this is known as basis. Suppose if we take point O and join O with L and O with R, then here this theta is known as parallax angle, and the distance between L and R, this is called basis line. Distance between OL and OR, this is S. Here angle theta, we know angle theta is arc upon radius, so this is LR upon S, or here we can calculate S equal to LR upon theta. Now this method is used to find the distance of nearby star by parallax method. Yes, M is the position of a star, A is the position of Earth. After 6 months, the Earth is moving in its orbit. So B is the position of Earth after 6 months. S is the position of Sun. Here AS is distance between Earth and Sun. In the last topic we have done astronomical unit, and the definition of astronomical unit is distance between position of Sun and the Earth is called astronomical unit. A is position of Earth and S is position of Sun, so AS is called astronomical unit. Here B is position of Earth and S is position of a Sun, so therefore BS is also astronomical unit. Here AM equal BM equal to X. This is AM and BM, both are equal, so these are equal to X. Now the light is coming from the distance star, so this BM makes angle phi 2, and from the same star the light is coming to the point A, so therefore AM makes angle phi 1. Now parallax method is used to calculate the distance of a nearby star whose distance is less than 100 light year and can be found by parallax method. From this parallax method we can calculate diameter, angle and distance of a star. Now we have one question. The sun's angular diameter is 1920 second. The distance of sun from earth is 1.496 into 10 by 11 meter. Find the diameter of a sun. Now angular diameter alpha is 1920 second. In the last lecture I told you how to convert second into radian. 1 second, convert second into minutes, 1 by 60, minutes into degree, 1 by 60, and degree into radian, this is pi upon 180, and the value of pi is 3.14. It is given distance is 1.496 into 10 by 11, therefore diameter is angle into distance. The distance is 1.496 into 10 by 11 and angle is given to us. Now we can do calculation and our answer will be 1.3 into 10 per 9 meter.